What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Team Brooks Adventures YouTube page. Before we get into it, let's go to our sponsors. This video is brought to you by Team Brooks Savage Sauce. One of the best sauces in the world, y'all. I'm telling you, they literally got it. They on the bottle, they got it make you go crazy. That is very true. It will make you go crazy. Now, for the time being, you can go onto the website on www.teambrooksent.com and get your flavors that's on there. They have barbecue sauce. They have mango habanero, which is right here. They also have jerk sauce, strawberry rum. I have tried them all, and they are all amazing. So go on there and check it out. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to it. What's going on, YouTube? This video is for the Oasis Smart Downtown Cancun. This video will give you an overview of what the hotel offers and what my thoughts of it when it comes. Now, as we enter into this hotel, I love how they had COVID-19 protocols down to a T. The bell people grabbed my bags. They sanitized my bags. They also asked me to walk on these mats that lift my shoes off, and I had to get some hand sanitizer. It felt very safe, very secure. Now, as we walk down the hallway to the left from the Welcome Center, I love how they had the decor set up. It felt like you was in a Miami boutique or a Miami kind of hotel, how they had everything set up. And I think they purposely did that because if you look up the stairs, they actually had a cigar room. That was closed during the COVID. It was due to COVID when I was there. But it's called a Havana, and it was great. The decor design was absolutely fabulous, but I'm kind of bummed because it was closed. Continuing down the hallway, we're going to turn to our left, and it's going to take us out to the pool area. Which the pool area was very, very nice. It actually was like a secluded resort style pool. It wasn't for the price that you're paying, you're thinking you're just getting a regular pool that, just has a pool and that's it, pools and chairs. This actually had cabanas. It had adult only section with they had they had a tub pool with sleep beds, and also had a garden area where you could sit back and be with nature. Very, very nice. I looked at it. I actually didn't get to go out to this area the whole time I was there because I didn't find it until after I left. But it was a very, very nice area to actually relax and take it in like you're at a resort. gym location was fairly small, but it was a typical hotel gym. It had everything you need to work out while you're on vacation. Nothing special here. It was just typical gym. To the main lobby. The main lobby actually had a cafe, which was open 24 hours for all guests, and I think it was just guests that stayed at the hotel. I didn't eat at this cafe, but I talked to a couple of people that actually did, and they said it was food very well, very good. And it was actually the whole coffee was really good. So if I ever go back again, I will try it. That was just I didn't get a chance to do it due to the time schedule out. Head up to the room and check it out. Hallways was a little bit dark for my liking, but it, kind of like I said, it can't give you that Miami boutique feel. That's it. All right, let's go into the room. The rooms, nothing really special about the room. It was more a typical hotel room. One couple of negatives that I did have about the room was there was a odor, a mildew smell to it. Lucky enough, I was on the air for one night, but I couldn't get past that. Even the room, but the hotel was very clean. I can say the hotel was clean, but it had an odor. Second, the shower didn't have any pressure, water pressure to it. That's it. The shower didn't have any water pressure. And the chair that I had, and the business chair that I had, was tore up. The only negatives I have for this room, it was nothing, special about it. It never wowed me. It never took me back and said this is amazing. The views was just okay. Looking at, you look at the views, it's just businesses that I'm looking at. Nothing that will, give me the idea to say I'm going to book this for the views again. But I can't say that morning I did. Before I checked out their breakfast. The breakfast, continental breakfast, was actually pretty good. For $6 US dollars, it was actually pretty good. It wasn't that bad. Provide you with. Only thing was weird about it was the eggs. Eggs had, I think, hot dogs in it, which was weird to me. I didn't eat that. But the oatmeal was cold. But everything else was pretty good. The waffles was good. The bacon was good. And the juice was okay. It was all right. It was for $6. It wasn't too bad. All right, yeah. So let's get right into this review. So first, the way I broke my review up, I break it down into multiple categories. Mainly what most travelers are looking for, which is location, cleanliness, amenities, and the price. See, all the employees there, servers, bellhop, everybody was really nice. So I would give it an 8. It's like if I would have to, and overall, my overall score for this hotel would have to be a 7. If I ever come across it again and I see it and I get it at a really good price, I probably would stay there again. I wouldn't stay there for a long stretch or stay there long term. I would stay there like I did this time, 1 day, 1 or 2 days, maybe 1 or 2 days, and I could do a little bit of exploring. That's it. So if you ever came across this hotel and you had questions about it, that's the only thing. That's the only thing I could give you a fair review. That I would give this hotel a 7. A 6. Yeah, I would give it a 6. Honest, fair 6. Basic, it's just a basic hotel with a lot of amenities. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do click that like button, click that bell, that notification button, and you will get updated on future videos that we have coming up. And we have a lot coming up. You don't want to